Greetings, dear friends. In the whispers of the wind and the calm of the morning sun, we find the ancient wisdom that has guided humanity for centuries. Today, we delve into the timeless teachings of Stoicism and explore how these principles can be seamlessly woven into the fabric of our daily lives, just as the eagle soars with clarity and purpose. So too can we navigate our days with the strength and serenity that Stoicism offers. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy founded by Zeno of Citium, has profoundly influenced many great thinkers throughout history. The teachings of Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius offer practical wisdom that remains incredibly relevant today. But what exactly is Stoicism? At its core, Stoicism teaches us to distinguish between what we can control and what we cannot, and to focus our energy on the former. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This profound insight serves as a cornerstone for Stoic practice. Let us begin with the first practical tip: journaling. The Stoics believed in the power of self-reflection. By writing down our thoughts, emotions, and experiences, we can gain clarity and perspective. This practice allows us to understand our reactions, identify areas for growth, and reinforce our Stoic principles. Each evening, take a few minutes to reflect on your day. Ask yourself, what went well? What could I have done differently? How did I respond to challenges? This simple yet powerful habit can lead to significant personal growth and a deeper understanding of your own mind. The second practical tip is meditation. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of a calm and focused mind. Through meditation, we can cultivate inner peace and resilience. By setting aside time each day to meditate, we can better manage our emotions and maintain our composure in the face of adversity. Begin with just a few minutes of deep breathing. Focus on your breath and let go of any tension. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in peace and clarity. As you breathe out, release stress and distraction. Over time, this practice can significantly enhance your mental and emotional well-being. The third tip is to embrace the Stoic dichotomy of control. As Epictetus taught, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Focus on what you can control: your thoughts, actions, and responses. Let go of what you cannot control: the behavior of others, external events, and outcomes. When faced with a challenge, ask yourself, what can I do about this situation? How can I respond constructively? By shifting your focus to your own actions and attitudes, you empower yourself to navigate life's difficulties with grace and resilience. The fourth tip is to practice kindness and compassion. The Stoics believed in the interconnectedness of all people and the importance of contributing to the common good. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, create ripples of positive energy that benefit both the giver and the receiver. Make it a habit to perform at least one act of kindness each day. It could be as simple as offering a smile, lending a helping hand, or listening attentively to someone in need. These small gestures can have a profound impact on your sense of connection and well-being. The fifth tip is to set clear intentions. The Stoics believed in living a life of purpose and deliberate action. By setting clear goals and aligning your actions with your values, you can create a life of meaning and fulfillment. Take some time to identify your core values and long-term goals. Write them down and revisit them regularly. Break your goals into smaller, actionable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. This practice will help you stay focused and motivated, even when the path is challenging. The sixth tip is to cultivate gratitude. The Stoics taught that appreciating what we have, rather than lamenting what we lack, is key to contentment. By regularly acknowledging the positives in our lives, we can shift our focus from scarcity to abundance. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you are grateful for. It could be a loving relationship, a beautiful sunset, or a personal achievement. By making gratitude a daily habit, you can foster a positive mindset and enhance your overall happiness. The seventh tip is to embrace resilience. Life is full of challenges, but it is how we respond to them that defines our character. The Stoics believed in viewing obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." When faced with a setback, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow stronger? By adopting a resilient mindset, you can turn adversity into a powerful force for personal development. The eighth tip is to take care of your physical health. The Stoics recognized the importance of a healthy body in supporting a healthy mind. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest are essential components of a well-rounded Stoic practice. Find a physical activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Whether it's walking, yoga, or martial arts, physical exercise not only strengthens your body, but also helps to clear your mind and boost your mood. The ninth tip is to nurture your creativity. Engaging in creative activities allows you to express your emotions, explore new ideas, and connect with your inner self. Creativity can be a powerful outlet for managing stress and enhancing your overall well-being. Set aside time each week to engage in a creative activity that you love. It could be painting, writing, playing an instrument, or any other form of artistic expression. Creativity not only enriches your life, but also provides a valuable counterbalance to the demands of daily responsibilities. The 10th and final tip is to reconnect with nature. The Stoics believed in living in harmony with the natural world. Spending time in nature can help to ground you, provide perspective, and rejuvenate your spirit. Make it a habit to spend time in natural settings regularly. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by a river, nature has a unique ability to soothe the mind and restore balance. Allow yourself to be fully present in these moments, appreciating the beauty and tranquility of the natural world. Dear friends, the power of Stoicism lies in its practical application to our daily lives. By incorporating these 10 habits into your routine, you can cultivate a life of purpose, resilience, and inner peace. The wisdom of the Stoics, combined with mindful living and self-care, offers a path to a balanced and fulfilling existence. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found value in these insights, please like, share, and subscribe to The Timeless Wisdom. Together, let us continue exploring the profound teachings that enrich our lives and illuminate